Good afternoon. My name is John Lorenzo Zisicat, so I'll be your student nurse for today. I'm from Our Lady of Fatima University, Pampanga campus. So first is I'll be identifying the patient. So may I know your name po and birthday?
My name is Patricia Castalosa. 19 years old, March 5, 2006.
Okay. Can I check your ID band for confirmation po? Okay po. So now next is I'll be verifying the doctor's order. So okay. Now next is I'll be checking na rin po yung history niyo po dito. And I can see po that you have a sprained left hand po. So next is I'll be doing the vital signs now. Palagay na lang po sa po. Okay po. Rest nyo na lang po. And, sige po. So, after naman po ma-check ng vital signs po ni patient is I'll be bringing all the necessary equipment for the procedure. So, next is explain ko lang po yung procedure sa inyo. So, today po is we'll be doing the cold compress po since you have a sprained left arm po. So, you can feel any coldness since cold compress na po yung gagamitin natin to relieve your pain po. So, if you feel any discomfort, please tell me lang po. Now, next is I'll be providing the privacy you need. Okay, so rest assured po na all procedures po will be between us lang po. So, position ko lang po yung kamay niyo at para po mas madali po natin ito. So, dahan-dahan lang po. So, next naman po is I'll be performing the hand hygiene naman po. So after putting my gloves, I'll be going on with the procedure na po. So I'll be applying the cold compress na po. So if you feel any discomfort na po, you can tell me po. So ito na po. Kamusta naman po yung pain niyo ngayon po? Masakit po ba? Okay po. So, alisin ko po muna para hindi masyado pong malamigan yung kamay niya. So, re-apply ko na po ulit. Okay po. So, now, I'll be checking your skin condition naman po after doing the compress po. So, nabawasan naman po yung sakit simula kanina po after the procedure. Okay. Now next po is I'll be removing my gloves. And position na po natin yung kamay niyo po. And after po nun is inspect ko lang po ulit yung ano nyo, kamay nyo. Okay po, so nawala naman na po yung redness nyo po. So next naman po is ayusin ko na po yung mga gamit ko po para po okay. Then after that po is since na ano naman po natin yung outcomes na magpababa yung pain po yun yun. So okay na po. So I'll be documenting na po ng findings po ngayon. So after that po, if you feel any discomfort po ulit and do you need anything po, just ring the bell po so I can come na po ulit. So that's all for cold compress. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned some. So good afternoon po. I'm John Lorenzo Zisikat. So I'll be your student nurse for today. So today I'll be performing naman po is yung hot compress. So let's proceed na po. Since I identified na po earlier yung pasyente and I'll be checking naman po ulit yung doctor's order and yung medical history po ng pasyente. So now I can see po na you have a wound in your right arm po. So I'll be doing the hot compress naman po. So since okay naman na po yung equipments natin, nadala ko na. So I'll be explaining the procedure po. So I'll be applying po hot compress. So you can feel any burning sensation kasi nga po hot yung ipuput ko sa skin niya po. So if you feel any discomfort po, you can tell me na lang po. So next is I'll be providing the privacy need po. Okay. Now since we're done po, so rest assured po na all findings here will be between us lang po. So next is position ko lang po yung kamay niya for stability lang po. Okay po. So next I'll be doing my hand hygiene. And I'll be putting on my gloves. Now after that po, we can proceed na po sa procedure po. So I'll be putting na po yung hot compress sa kamay nyo. So if you feel any discomfort po or any pain po, please tell me lang po. So rate ko po muna po pala, pwede po bang i-rate nyo muna po yung pain na nararamdaman nyo ngayon in a scale of 1 to 10? Okay po, so I'll be putting on na po yung hot compress so it will relieve the pain po. So I'll be removing po para hindi po po yung pass off or to feel any discomfort po. And I'll be reapplying na po ulit since yun po yung doctor's order po, the duration. Okay. Now we're done po. This pwede ko na po kayong pwede ko na pong tingnan ulit yung ano niyo po. Okay. So position ko na po kayo ulit. So after po nung ma-apply ng hot compress po, kamusta naman po yung pain po? Okay, so now we're done. I'll be removing my gloves. And since maayos na yung gamit natin, so we can inspect the affected area naman po after. So after that po is I'll be documenting naman lang po yung findings. So, throughout the procedure naman po, nagawa naman po natin yung mga outcomes na gusto natin. So, I'll be informing the nursing attending yung senior nurse po. So, now we're done po with the procedure. Thank you po, and thank you for listening. I hope you learned something.